Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss numerical on limit, fits and tolerance. So the very first question is like this. In a limit system, the following limits are specified. So whole is given like this, whole is equals to 30 and the upper tolerance is plus 0.02 and the lower tolerance is 0. And shaft is of 30 size and the upper tolerance is minus 0.02 and the lower tolerance is minus 0.05 mm. So you have to determine tolerance as well as allowance and type of it according to this question. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to find out the tolerance. We have to calculate tolerance. So for calculating tolerance, what is the upper limit of hole? Upper limit of hole can be written as 30 plus 0.02, that will be 30.02 mm. And what will be the lower limit? Lower limit is the 30 plus 0, that is 30 mm. So upper limit of hole and upper limit of lower limit of hole. So hole tolerance is given by upper limit of hole minus lower limit of hole, and that is 30.02 minus 30 is equals to 0.02 mm. So this will be the tolerance for the hole. In the same way, we will calculate the tolerance for the shaft. So first of all, we have to calculate tolerance for the shaft. So upper limit of shaft, the upper limit of shaft is given by 30 minus 0.02, that will be 29.98. And what will be the lower limit of shaft? Lower limit of the shaft is 30 minus 0.05 and that will be 29.95 mm. The shaft tolerance is what? Upper limit of shaft minus lower limit of shaft, that will be 0.03 mm. So this is how we calculate the tolerance for the hole and for the shaft. Now allowance. Allowance is given by the lower limit of the hole minus upper limit of the shaft. That is the maximum material limit for the hole minus maximum material limit for the shaft. So lower limit will be 30 mm for the hole, and for shaft upper limit will be 29.98 mm. So the difference between the lower limit of the hole minus upper limit of the shaft is equals to 0.02 mm. So this will be the allowance. So this is how we will calculate allowance. So now the third part is type of fit. I have already told you that whenever the allowance is positive, then the type of fit is clearance fit. So hence allowance is positive, therefore the fit is clearance fit in this question. So next question is, hole and shaft size is given to you according to this dimension. The basic size is 25 and the tolerance for the hole and shaft is provided on it on the basic size. So according to it, you have to determine the tolerance on hole. It means you have to find out the tolerance zone for hole and for shaft, as we have calculated in the previous question, and we have to calculate maximum clearance and minimum clearance. So tolerance is calculated as like we have done in previous question. So for tolerance of hole, upper limit of the hole is 25 plus 0.03. So it is 25.03, and lower limit of the hole is 25 minus 0, that is 25 mm. So tolerance of the hole will be upper limit of hole minus a lower limit of hole is equals to 25.03 minus 25, that will be 0.03 mm. So tolerance for shaft is upper limit of shaft will be 25 minus 0.06. So it is 24.994 mm. Lower limit of shaft is 25 minus 0.02, that will be 24.98 mm. So tolerance for shaft will be upper limit of shaft minus lower limit of shaft, and this will be 0.014 mm. So this is how we will calculate tolerance on hole and tolerance on shaft. Now we have to calculate the maximum clearance and the minimum clearance. So I have explained you how the maximum clearance and minimum clearance is calculated when I have explained clearance fit to you. So maximum clearance is given by the upper limit of hole minus lower limit of shaft. That will be the upper limit of hole will be 25.03 minus 24.98, and this will give you the maximum clearance, that is 0.05 mm. And minimum clearance, that is your allowance, that is lower limit of hole minus upper limit of shaft is equals to 25, that is the lower limit of hole minus 24.994, that is the upper limit of shaft, that will be 0.006 mm. So minimum clearance is 0.006 mm. So this is how we will calculate maximum clearance and minimum clearance. Next question is the type of fit which is given to you is interference fit. Shaft tolerance is equals to hole tolerance, that will be 0.225 mm. The shaft basic size is 75 mm, and maximum interference is given to you in this question, that is 0.0375 mm. I have already told you about how the maximum interference is calculated when I have told you the interference fit. So we have to find out what? We have to find out the hole dimension and the shaft dimension according to the hole basis system. So in the previous video, I have told you that for the hole basis system, the lower limit of the hole is taken as basic size of the assembly. So this is the solution, how we will do this question. So in the hole basis system, the lower limit of the hole is equals to the basic size, that will be 75 mm. It is given to you. It is the shaft basic size. So in the assembly, shaft basic size as well as the hole basic size is same. So it will be 75 mm. So lower limit of hole will be 75 mm. Now the hole tolerance is also provided to you, that is 0.225 mm. So tolerance for the hole is given by upper limit of hole minus lower limit of hole, and putting all the values, we have hole tolerance as well as we have lower limit of hole. Hole tolerance is this, or lower limit of the hole is this. So put the value, you will get upper limit of hole is equals to 25 plus 0.225 mm, that will be 75.225 mm. This will be the lower limit of the hole. Now we have to calculate for the shaft. So for calculation of shaft, we have maximum interference, and maximum interference is given by lower limit of hole minus upper limit of shaft, that will be 0.0375. This is the maximum clearance which is given to us. Lower limit of hole will be 75, we have already calculated it, minus upper limit of shaft. So this we have to calculate. So this will be 75 minus 0.0375, that will be 74.9625 mm. So this will be the lower limit of shaft. Next, we have already provided with the shaft tolerance, and it will be equal to the hole tolerance, that is 0.225 mm. So therefore shaft tolerance is equal to upper limit of shaft minus lower limit of shaft. So it will be 0.225 is equals to 74.9625. This is calculated here, minus lower limit of shaft. So from this formula you can calculate the value of lower limit of shaft, and that is 74.7375 mm. This will be the lower limit of shaft. So in this way we have determined the hole dimension and the shaft dimension. Next question is, now in this question type of fit is given to you is the clearance fit, and the basic size is given as 40 mm. Tolerance for hole is given as 0.006 mm. Tolerance on shaft will be provided, that is 0.004 mm. And allowance is given to you, that is 0.002 mm. And now we have to find out the dimension of hole and shaft, taking as first hole basis system and second one is shaft basis system. So hole basis system we have discussed in the previous question. In the shaft basis system, what we have to do, we have to take the upper limit of the shaft, that is the maximum material condition for the shaft, equals to the basic size. So for hole basis system, we consider lower limit of the hole as the basic size, and for the shaft basis system, we take the upper limit of the shaft as basic size. So first we will take hole basis system. So in this system, lower limit of the hole is equals to basic size. So therefore the lower limit of the hole will be 40 mm, because the basic size is given as 40 mm. So tolerance of hole is equals to, tolerance of hole is given as upper limit of hole minus lower limit of hole. So lower limit of hole we have calculated it, and tolerance of hole is provided. So therefore putting the value of tolerance of hole and the lower limit of hole, we will get the value of upper limit of hole, that is 40 plus 0.006, that will be 40.006 mm. Allowance. Now we have to calculate the shaft dimension. So we have to take the help of this allowance. So allowance is given by lower limit of hole minus upper limit of shaft. So put the value of allowance, that is 0.002 is equals to lower limit of hole is 40 mm minus upper limit of shaft. So upper limit of shaft will be 39.998 mm by putting value of lower limit as well as allowance. Now tolerance of shaft is also provided, so we will calculate the lower limit from that formula. The tolerance of shaft is equals to upper limit of shaft minus lower limit of shaft. Put the value of tolerance of shaft and lower limit of shaft. So we will get the value of lower limit of shaft is equals to 39.994 mm. So this we have to calculated hole dimension, shaft dimension according to the hole basis system. We have taken the hole basis system, but all the formula will remain same for the shaft basis system. Only the difference is that we have to take the upper limit of the shaft as the basic size, that is 40 mm, and other portion will remains the same. It means the formula will remain same as we have used in this. So please try to do it yourself. So this is your works. So please try to do shaft basis system. Next is, this is the question related to the assembly of hole and shaft having the basics dimension 20 and the tolerance is provided to you. You have to determine the type of fit for this assembly. So for determining the type of fit, we have to determine the allowance, first of all allowance, and after that we will discuss further. So for calculation of allowance, we will use upper limit of hole from this formula 20 plus 0.0025, that is 20.025. Lower limit of hole is 20 plus 0, that is 20 mm. Upper limit of shaft 20 plus 0.08, so 20.08. Lower limit of shaft 20 plus 0.005, that is 20.005 mm. Allowance is given by lower limit of hole minus upper limit of shaft, that will be 20 minus 0.08, that will be minus 0.080. So now from this allowance you can see that this is not positive, so it is not clearance fit. It is clear from this part. Now we have to calculate that whether it is the transition fit or the interference fit. So for that we have to calculate maximum clearance. So maximum clearance is given by upper limit of hole minus lower limit of shaft, that is 20.025, that is the lower upper limit of shaft, oh sorry, hole, this one, minus lower limit of shaft, that is 20.005. So maximum clearance will be 0.020 mm. So maximum clearance is positive. So one minimum clearance, that is the allowance, is negative and the maximum clearance is positive. Hence, this case falls under the category of transition fit, in which interference fit is may be there or the clearance may be there. So this is the case of transition fit. Now, in this question is related to the use of tolerance grade formula, that is IT1, IT2, IT3, which I have told you in the previous lecture. So hole and shaft assembly is given by 40H8D9, and it is also given that I, that is the formula of the standard tolerance, I is given to you. This 40 mm, that is the basic size of the assembly, lies in the diameter range of 30 to 50, and tolerance grade for hole is IT8, so IT8 value is 25I, and D is shaft, and for shaft tolerance grade will be IT9, that is 40I. So, and this is the upper deviation of shaft. Upper deviation of shaft is given to you, that is minus 16 d to the power 0.44. This will be in micron. And what is upper deviation? Upper deviation is the algebraic difference between the upper limit of the shaft minus the basic size. So we have to calculate what? We have to calculate hole and shaft dimension. So 40H8D9 means 40 is the basic size, H is the hole basis system, basic hole. Basic hole means we have to use the lower limit of hole equals to the basic size. 8 is the tolerance grade for hole, D is the shaft, 9 is the tolerance grade for shaft. So step 1 is what? Calculate mean diameter D. This one. सबसे पहले हमें ये कैलकुलेट करना होगा. So D is what? D is equals to under root of this diameter step. 30 into 50. 30 into 50, that will be 38.729. That will be equivalent to 38.73 mm. Now the next step, we have to calculate standard tolerance I, the value of I, because D हमने calculate कर लिया है. I is equals to 0.45 cube root of D plus 0.001 D. I is equals to, from putting the value of D, I is equals to 1.561 micron. D will be in mm and we will get the value in micron because this is the empirical formula. Step 3 is calculation of tolerance grade. The tolerance grade is given to you as IT8 is equals to 25I. So what you have to do? 25 into the value of I, that will be 39.025 micron, and that will be 0.039 mm. And IT9 is equals to 40I, that will be 40 into the value of I, that is 62.44 micron, and that will be equal to 0.062 mm. Now, fourth step, we have to calculate the hole dimension. As it is the basic hole. Why it is basic hole? Because capital H is there. So for basic hole, lower limit of hole is equals to basic size. So lower limit of hole will be 40 mm. Now, tolerance of hole. Tolerance of hole is provided by upper limit of hole minus lower limit of hole. And tolerance for hole is what? This IT8, the value of IT8, that is 0.039 mm. So 0.039 mm is equals to upper limit of hole minus lower limit of hole. The lower limit of hole will be equal to the basic size, so it is 40. The upper limit of hole will be 40.039 mm. Next, we have to calculate shaft dimension. So for calculation of shaft dimension, we have to use upper dimension deviation of shaft. What is upper deviation of shaft? Let us suppose this is the zero line, and this is our shaft. Upper limit of shaft, lower limit of shaft. So the gap between the upper limit of shaft and the basic size is your upper deviation. So upper deviation of the shaft is provided as minus 16 d to the power 0.44. So put the value of d, that is 38.73. So we will get minus 79.957 micron, or in mm minus 0.0799 mm. So this gap will be 0.0799 mm. This is minus sign because it is smaller than the basic size. It is reducing to the basic size, so minus sign is there. And upper deviation formula is what? Upper deviation is provided by the upper limit of shaft minus the basic size. So from here you can easily get the value of upper limit of shaft. So upper limit of shaft will be 39.920 mm by putting the value of upper deviation and the basic size. Now the tolerance grade for the shaft, we have already calculated it, that is this one, IT9, that is 0.062 mm. So tolerance for shaft is equals to upper limit of shaft minus lower limit of shaft. Put the value of tolerance of shaft, and we have calculated the upper limit of shaft, that will be 39.920, that is minus lower limit of shaft. So lower limit of shaft will be 39.858 mm. So this is how we will calculate the dimension of hole and shaft by using the tolerance grade formula and the empirical formula and the standard tolerance formula. So I think numerical is clear to you. So today's lecture is over. Thank you so much and have a nice day.